Hi there, David here, and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. Got a little treat for you today. I'm in Southwest Rocks, on my way down to visit my brother, and here is absolute hidden gem on the mid-north coast of New South Wales. Southwest Rocks is a beautiful little township. It's over there behind me, and a part of that is also Trail Bay Jail. The Trail Bay Jail was opened in 1877, and it was primarily to house the inmates to help build the breakwater wall at Southwest Rocks. It was deemed impossible to make and was closed shortly afterwards. In 1918, however, it was reopened and held over 500 men of German descent. These men were academics, professionals and craftsmen who had been classified as enemy aliens. Also here is Fish Island, and Fish Island is better known for its shark diving. Grey nurse sharks around there, and you can certainly get out there, and that is a treat. Also, it's famous for a lighthouse. The Smoky Cape Lighthouse is absolutely glorious, and you can stay there and enjoy these kind of scenery. We're not here for that today. We're going to have a go at a bit of wing foiling. Just a beautiful bay behind me, and if the breeze kicks in like it's forecast to, then we're going to have a lot of fun. Let's sheet on and get organised. Well, the tide filled in, but not the breeze. So I pulled out the drone and had a bit of a fly to have a look at this glorious waterway. We've had a couple of great days at Port Macquarie and at Southwest Rocks. A southerly change has just started to hit, so we've loaded the floorboards into Roger's boat and we're going to go out and give it a whirl down by Town Reach. Let's sheet on, give it a go. Here we are, Port Macquarie. Is it Town Reach? Is that what you call this?
This is Town Green. We're off the jetty.
Off the jetty at Town Green, and this is exactly where I came all that time ago, trying to search for these waves that ran me aground a couple of times. It's a beautiful spot. You can see we've got a bit of weather coming our way, and with that is some more wind. But altogether just beautiful, and we're going to sheet on and give it a go from there. Roger does the extra thing. Anyway, let's get into it. So we set out for a sail, and those clouds I was pointing out to you came along and it bucketed down, and it hasn't stopped bucketing down ever since. So I've made my way back to Ballina on my way home, so we're going to continue that little journey a little later. But thanks for joining me. Hope you liked it, hope you found it interesting. If you did, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that would be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.